Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest gardening tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gardening tools of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears. The Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears are a robust and efficient gardening tool, ideal for various pruning tasks. Here are some key features and aspects of these pruning shears. Cut capacity: these shears can handle branches up to 5/8 inches in diameter, making them suitable for a wide range of gardening needs, from trimming small shrubs to cutting thicker stems. Sharp, rust-resistant steel blade: the blades are made from high-quality steel that retains sharpness over extended use. The rust-resistant coating ensures longevity and reliable performance even in damp or humid conditions. Ergonomic design: the shears are designed with comfort in mind. The ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, allowing for prolonged use without discomfort. This feature is particularly beneficial for extensive gardening sessions. Precision cutting: the bypass design ensures clean cuts, which is essential for the health of plants. Product 2. Product name: WENY Lawn Airator Spike. The WENY Lawn Airator Spike is a manual lawn care tool designed to revitalize and maintain the health of your lawn. This tool features 15 durable iron spikes, making it effective for dethatching and aerating soil. The aerator is pre-assembled, providing convenience and ease of use right out of the box. It is specifically engineered to improve the aeration of your yard, which promotes better water, nutrient, and air penetration to the grass roots, thereby enhancing overall lawn health. Key features: durable construction: equipped with 15 iron spikes, the WENY Lawn Airator is built to last, ensuring effective soil penetration and long-term use. Manual operation: this aerator is manually operated, making it an eco-friendly option for lawn care enthusiasts who prefer a hands-on approach without relying on gasoline or electricity. Pre-assembled: the tool comes pre-assembled, eliminating the hassle of setup and allowing you to start aerating your lawn immediately. Product 3. Product name: Fiskars 15-inch Power Gear Super Pruner. The Fiskars 15-inch Power Gear Super Pruner Garden Lopper is a high-quality gardening tool designed for efficient and precise trimming of tree branches and garden plants. This pruner features sharp, precision-ground steel blades that can easily cut through branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter, making it suitable for a variety of pruning tasks in your garden. The Power Gear mechanism increases leverage, providing 3 times more cutting power, which reduces the effort needed to make clean cuts and helps minimize hand fatigue during extended use. Key features include: sharp precision-ground steel blade, ensures clean, accurate cuts and long-lasting sharpness. Power Gear mechanism, increases cutting power and reduces effort, making it easier to cut through tough branches. Durable construction, made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Product 4. Product name: TYOK Mini Chainsaw. The TYOK Mini Chainsaw is a versatile and convenient tool designed for gardeners and homeowners who need a reliable and easy-to-use chainsaw for various cutting tasks. This cordless 6-inch chainsaw is super handheld and rechargeable, making it perfect for wood and tree cutting in small to medium-sized projects. Key features: cordless design: being battery-powered, the TYOK Mini Chainsaw offers the freedom to move around without being tethered to a power outlet, enhancing its portability and ease of use in various outdoor settings. Gardener-friendly: the compact and lightweight design makes it gardener-friendly, allowing for prolonged use without causing significant fatigue. Security lock: the inclusion of a security lock ensures safe operation by preventing accidental starts, adding an extra layer of safety for the user. Product 5. Product name: Weed Puller Tool. In the context of maintaining a vegetable garden, backyard farm, or general planting activities, having the right weeding tools is essential for efficient and effective weed control. One such tool that stands out is the 2024 new manganese steel weed puller tool, designed for easy and thorough weeding. Features of the 2024 new manganese steel weed puller tool. Material: manganese steel. Known for its durability and toughness, manganese steel ensures the weeder tool remains sharp and resilient, even after extensive use. This material choice makes it ideal for tackling various types of weeds with minimal wear and tear. Design. Sharp blade. The sharp, sturdy blade allows for easy penetration into the soil, making it simple to uproot weeds from their roots. This design helps prevent regrowth, ensuring a cleaner garden area. Portability. Lightweight. The tool is lightweight, making it easy to carry around the garden or farm. Product 6. Product name: House and Garten Classic PR Pruning Shears. The House and Garten Classic PR Pruning Shears are a high-quality, professional-grade gardening tool designed for serious gardeners and horticulturists. These 8.5-inch pruning shears feature premium titanium-coated blades that provide superior sharpness and durability, ensuring clean and precise cuts. Their bypass design allows for efficient and effective pruning, making them ideal for trimming branches, shrubs, and flowers. Key features include premium titanium blades. The titanium coating on the blades enhances their cutting efficiency and longevity, reducing the need for frequent sharpening. Heavy-duty construction. Built to withstand rigorous use, these shears are suitable for both professional landscapers and gardening enthusiasts. Versatility. Ideal for various gardening tasks, including pruning, trimming, and shaping plants. These shears are a versatile addition to any gardener's toolkit. Product 7. Product name: Heavy Duty Tool Bag. The Heavy Duty Tool Bag is a versatile and durable storage solution designed to meet the needs of professionals and hobbyists alike. This specific model, a 15-inch, 16-pocket portable toolbox organizer, offers ample space and organization options for various tools and accessories, making it an ideal choice for mechanics, plaque engineers, and other tradespeople. Key features. Size and capacity. The 15-inch length provides a compact yet spacious interior, suitable for carrying essential tools without being cumbersome. Equipped with 16 pockets, this bag ensures organized storage, allowing easy access to tools of different sizes and types. Durability and construction. Constructed from high-quality, heavy-duty materials, the tool bag is built to withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding environments. Reinforced stitching and robust fabric enhance the bag's durability, ensuring it can handle heavy tools and rough handling.